Hey there. So in this video, we're going to be answering this question. The base of a parallelogram is 3 centimeters more than 4 times the height. Write the area of the parallelogram as a function of height. Now this question is a perfect example of when you're doing mathematics. If you can draw a picture of this scenario to help you out, best thing you can do. So let's start off with drawing a picture. I'm going to start off with parallelogram. Got that. And got that. Not exactly equal, but pretty darn close. All right, so we're going to say that those two sides are parallel and of equal length, and these two sides are parallel and of equal length. All right, so then looking back at the statement, it says the base of the parallelogram is 3 centimeters more than 4 times the height, so let's mark off the height here. And so this is going to be our height, h. And then, so this is going to be the length of our base here. We'll call that b. And actually, I'll write base. And then the base is going to be 3 centimeters more than 4 times the height. So 3 centimeters more than 4 times the height. So we got that. Alrighty. Okay. So we have those ones. Now, the formula of a parallelogram is as follows. So the area is the base times the height. Now, just in case you don't know this formula, the way you can think of it this way is, let's go with a different color here. Okay, so let's go with blue. So if I extended these lines out here, like over here, or over here, okay, notice that kind of makes a picture of a square. Well, if I took, now this drawing is not to scale. If it were to scale, this would fit perfectly. But if we took this part here, this triangle here, and we put it right over here, then that would fill up the square over here. And we would have a square that I will write in red. And that would fill up that square. And that is where the formula for this shape comes from. Now plugging in the information we have, well, the base is 3 centimeters plus 4h. I'm going to get rid of the number here just to make the formula look a little better, but doesn't make a big difference. So 3 plus 4h times the height. So I'll write h there. And then we can multiply through 3h plus 4h squared. And that is the formula for the area of the parallelogram here, 3h plus 4h squared.